What is up, YouTube? Today I have something very exciting today. I have my Fusion Firearms XP Pro Comp. I have been wanting this gun since it came out, and I was deciding between the Staccato HD 4.5, the Platypus, and the Fusion. And I'll go into another video on why I chose this one. You're going to get your instruction manual, right? Shows you how to take it apart, all of the parts within it, all that good stuff. Now, I did order the pre-order version of this pistol. I am waiting on the secondary package to come in with the extra mags, the holster, the monoblock, all that stuff. Next, it comes with a sticker. Who doesn't love stickers, right? Got a couple extra parts, some screws, some pins, a hex key, extra mag. This is a KCI 17 round, 2 optics plates, and it specifies on the back what they are compatible for. But I got lucky because they do take the Vortex Defender or the Delta Point Pro footprint, so that's good for me. They also come with iron sight on them, which is pretty cool. I've never seen that before. A little cleaning kit just breaks down inside here. You get a little business card from them. Piece de resistance is your second mag, KCI as well. Clear. The XP Pro Comp. I've been very excited waiting on this to come in. This is my first 2011. I have a metric ton of Glock mags, and that was kind of the main reason I decided to go with one of these hybrid, I guess you could call it 2011s. I didn't want to spend the money. I didn't want to spend the money on the 2011 mags when I have all these Glock mags lying around. I still carry a Glock everyday carry, so I figured why not. Pretty cool. So as you can see, it's got the port on there, thumb safety, hammer, all that stuff. I wasn't sure about the grip because it looks so square compared to other 2011s or 1911s. It's just very blocky looking, but in your hand it feels really nice, especially for me. I have bigger hands, so it's more comfortable. And the slide is just super smooth. I haven't oiled this or anything yet. I haven't broken it down yet. I'll make some videos on that. But it's just, I mean, do the little 2-finger there. Yeah, I'm sure you can air rack this thing for sure. I haven't tried yet. But, and this trigger is, I mean, for me, it's amazing. I've never shot a 2011 before. I've only shot Glocks and SIGs. And a CZ, but I mean, this trigger is just so crispy. It's like nothing. I mean, it's just incredible, and I can't wait to shoot this. Do a little video on that for you guys. But yeah, excited to try this out.